So yeah, that's it, guys. I got the outer shell taken off of the ATTE here. It's really dirty. I'm just gonna wash all this off. Get the chemicals. I think it's like some peroxide. That was just water that I used just to get the dust off, get any dirt and grime off. It's just really dusty. Like, those seats are supposed to be black. Like, they've definitely been sitting. This has definitely been sitting in the sun for about a couple, like maybe 20 years, and then plus the dust. But yeah, so I already have a place for it on my shelf. It's gonna go right there, right behind the 5s. But yeah, so it's gonna be a long process. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. May the 4th be with you. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and if I'm lucky, I will see you in the next one.